Grammar. Conditional clauses. Conditionals. Conditionals in English grammar are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and a main clause, which describes a condition and the result of it. Zero conditional. The structure of zero conditional is if or when plus present simple in the subordinate clause and present simple or imperative in the main clause. Example, if you heat ice, it melts. Note that the word heat and the word melts both are simple present tense. We use zero conditional to talk about facts which are generally true or scientific facts. To talk about the condition always has the same result and to give instructions. Here are some more examples for zero conditionals.
If you stand in the rain, you get wet. If you don't water the flowers, they die. If you want to come, send me a message.
The first conditional are type 1. Structure if or unless plus present simple in the subordinate clause, will or won't plus verb in the main clause. Example, if it rains, we will cancel the trip. You have to note that the word rains in the subordinate clause is in simple present tense and the word will cancel in the main clause is in simple future tense. We use the first conditional to talk about a possible situation in the future, predicting a likely result in the future if the condition happens, and to make promises and give warning. Look at few more examples for the first conditional.
If you study, you will pass the exam. If I play well, I will win the match. Possible condition. If you behave kindly, people will respect you. If you have time, I will visit you soon.
Second conditional or type 2. Now look at the structure of second conditional. If plus past simple in the subordinate clause, would plus verb in the main clause. Example, if I won the lottery, I would travel a lot. Uses to talk about hypothetical or unlikely situations. To talk about unreal or improbable situation now or in the future. Now look at some more examples of the second type.
If they sold their houses, they would be rich. If it rained, they would cancel the match. An unlikely or hypothetical condition. If I were rich, I would buy a mansion by the sea. If I found a ring, I wouldn't keep it.
Third conditional or type 3. Structure if plus past perfect in the subordinate clause and would have plus past participle in the main clause. Example, if you had studied, you would have passed the exam. Look at the example again. The word had studied in the subordinate clause is past perfect tense and we use would plus have plus past participle of the verb in the main clause. We use third conditional to talk about the things that didn't happen, to imagine a different past, and to talk about an imaginary situation that did not happen. Remember that we use past perfect tense in the subordinate clause and would plus have plus past participle form of the verb in the main clause.
If I hadn't been sick, I would have gone to your party. If Saravanan had played well, he would have won the match. Impossible condition. I wouldn't have been late if I hadn't woken up at 12 a.m.
Thank you. Watch again for better understanding.